Every self-build project starts with a vision. Your vision. So, when you invest time, effort, and money into making your dream home a reality, you should protect it from day one. At Self-Build Zone, we've been ensuring self-builds, renovations, conversions, extensions, and more since 2002. We understand the hard work you put in, so our market-leading cover is built to meet your needs. Site insurance protects you throughout construction, including any existing structures, employees, traders, theft, public liability, and more, for all types of build and periods of cover from 3 months to 24. If you're starting from scratch, our 10-year structural warranty is approved by the majority of mortgage lenders in the UK and backed by A-rated insurers, so you have the confidence you can sell. We'll even help you arrange your building control and survey visits, so you can simply focus on the build and make your dream project come true. Get your quote online or call us today.